Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have a get ready with me video. I'm just gonna be talking with you guys because I know you guys are gonna ask what happened, so I'm gonna talk about this as well. So if you would like to see how I kind of like I'm gonna be covering this up and gonna telling you what happened, then just keep watching. So I'm just gonna be like putting my makeup on, but I'll also like show you like what I'm gonna be using. I'm not gonna explain what it is because I think you'll be able to see it. But I'm just gonna kind of put my makeup on and then let you know what happened. So as you can see, I got hit. Went to MI Combat. If you guys have been to there, it is so much fun. So that was the second time I had been there. The first time I went, we were just like, oh my god, this is so much fun. And it was just a blast. So then we went yesterday and once again had a fantastic time. A bunch of my family came. I went with Ryan and then Ryan's friends, and it was so much fun. And then one of the games that you play, it even says like don't run, and I was not running, but there was one person on my team. I didn't know who he was, but he is like one of the people that like goes there all the time, and like his rank is like really high and whatever, so he should know like what you're doing and what you should not be doing. But he was like on a full sprint. I was not even moving. I was standing, and it's painful. He ran into me with his huge gun, and it's not like laser tag, it's like big and heavy. Like, I'll take a picture here and I'll show you what it looks like. And it went right into like my eye, like here-ish, and it just kind of like went right and it was just like extremely painful. And I was like, don't cry, Courtney, don't cry, Courtney. And oh my god, it hurts so bad. It happened yesterday, so like last night, and so it's very bruised, and I'm gonna try to cover it up with lots of layers of makeup. But anyways, so it immediately obviously hit me, and he was just continuous running, and it hurt so bad. And I'm a pretty tough person, and I was like trying so hard not to cry because it hurt so bad. I don't blame like the place or anything. It is so good. The people there are so nice. It was just, you know, don't run pretty much. But I would highly recommend for you to go and play. It is such a good time. So I can see that it's already a lot better. It's very swollen. It's actually looking a lot better than it was this morning. It was like I woke up and it was like I like couldn't see anything. I was like, oh my god, I can't see anything, but it's actually a lot better today, which is thank gosh. And I hope it's the swelling and the color, I hope that's better by the time I have to go to school, because my kids are gonna be like, oh my god, what happened? So this is the Kevin Aquan, I don't even know what it's called, the Sensual Skin Enhancer. I'm gonna use this because I know it's thick, and I don't really use it often because I always have the wrong color, but I'm gonna try using this because I know it's like thick stuff, and I think that's kind of what I need right now. Try using this. It's the Sigma All Over Blend E37, and I know this stuff, like, you don't need a ton, you just need a little bit. And I'm just gonna kind of hope that this covers. I know it's probably the wrong color, like usual. Oh yeah, that's working really well. Oh my god, it hurts. I have to like barely touch it. But I'm gonna put it just on the areas that are bruised, because I don't like to use this for concealer just because it's very thick stuff and it just doesn't blend into that spot. But yeah. Oh my god, this is so painful. And then just, I guess, since I want it to like make sure everything is matching, I'm gonna put it on this side as well. Because that would be horrible if it's one side is nice and light and the other is not. So let's just put that here as well. So I'm going to California in like 2 weeks. If anyone's gonna be in the area, I'm going to LA. If anyone's gonna be there, we should meet up because I'm assuming probably no one's gonna want to hang out with me. But Ryan and I are going just for spring break, and I've only gone there once. So I'd love to like meet people that know me, but like, you know, I'd love to meet everybody. I'm not planning on doing like a, what is it called? I'm not cool enough for that. I don't know how people do those things. People like have all these people that come, and I'm like, I don't think anyone would really come. I feel like I would feel like such a loser, you know? Alright, and then I'm gonna go into my Tarte Shape Tape and kind of put it underneath, because that's where I'm gonna put my under eye area. And this is the color that I always use. This is the light medium honey. It's my favorite. I'm gonna put it on my eyelids too, and hope that everything goes away so you can't see that I've been hit. But today's St. Patrick's Day, so we're going out. We're gonna get wasted. No, I'm just kidding. But we are planning on like drinking and things like that. Not a lot, because I like don't ever drink. I don't know. I just don't really drink a lot. I don't ever drink. So we're just gonna have a couple beers and green beer and, you know, just having a good time. So I'm just gonna use this. This is just a setting powder. I love this. I got it from my BoxyCharm, and I think it's amazing. And I'm just gonna put this basically to set everything. Anyways, back to the story. I got hit, and it was for the whole, we had like 2 games left, and I missed the entire game for that one. Right when I got hit, I went to the bathroom, and I was like, I went to the bathroom, was crying because it hurt so bad, and because I was just like so frustrated because that should not have happened. Like, it shouldn't. I was just like so frustrated, and my anxiety because of getting hit, I was just like crying. And then after that, I pulled myself together, and then I went back in, and we had another game, and I basically just sat there because I was afraid I was gonna get hit again. So I just kind of sat there. Then Ryan was like, you can go if you want, like you can just go sit over there. And I was like, okay, thank you. And then I went back to the bathroom, and I was crying again because I was so frustrated with myself that now my face hurts. Like, pull yourself together, Courtney, just keep going. But I didn't. Like, I just got so frustrated with myself, and I was just like, F it, like, I'm done. And then I had one game after that, and so then it was time to go, and we finished. And then I got some, this is my favorite bronzer from Laura Geller. I don't think anyone else ever uses this or like shows this. This is like literally the best. It's like huge also. I just love it. And then I'm gonna be using my Morphe R2 brush. But anyways, so right after the game, I obviously was not pissed, but I was not a happy camper, and was trying to be positive, and someone came, the guy who works there, like, came over and like got me ice and stuff. But yeah, that was really nice. And yeah, I would still, even though I got hit, which is like, that does not normally happen. It just, you know, just wrong spot at the wrong time. If that's, is that the phrase? I would still highly recommend, you to go. It is so much fun. So for St. Patty's Day, I'm just wanting to do something very neutral and then like a nice wing and maybe some lashes just so I can look a little like oomph, you know? I'm just gonna have this little palette here and I'm just gonna put this in my crease area. Oh, good. UPS is here. I wonder what I have. What did I buy? Putting this in my crease just to like make sure nothing's stepping out, if that makes sense. I think I said it wrong, but just so like when I put something else on there, it doesn't get all like, what's the word I'm looking for? Darn it. So I'm just putting this here. It's just a neutral color just to kind of put it all over my lid. Then I'm also gonna put it in my lower here as well. I'm just gonna take my Sigma liquid pen liner and I'm gonna try to do a wing. Thank God it's not swollen on the upper here because then this just would not work. I'm not gonna do it in camera because it's not gonna work, or I guess I can try, but it's probably not gonna work. And the past couple times I've been putting on wings, they've just been all messed up. So hopefully today it does not get all messed up. Alright, they're not the worst wings I've ever done, but it's also not the best wing I've ever done. So we're just gonna move on. This has been my favorite mascara recently. This is the Benefit Bad Girl Bang. And like, I have so many mascaras, but this one has just been like my go-to. It's like so like thick, but like, I feel like I don't need to wear like falsies with it. I think I'm still gonna wear falsies today, but just watch the magic happen right here. So like this is one coat. It's pretty good, right? Like I love it. Like I feel like I don't even need falsies. So favorite blush right now is from Benefit. It's so good. I love it so much. I'm gonna be loving it for forever. It's just like the perfect color. I love that it's also kind of like sheeny, if that makes sense. And I'm just gonna really, I feel like for this, I feel like I really need to like get it in there. Oh, this hurts. Yeah, I feel like the pigmentation for this blush is not as good as all of their other ones, but I love the color of it. And I love that it's like shiny, not shiny, but girl, you know it. You know what I mean. Next, one of my favorite highlights is this one, which is crazy because right when I got it, I looked at it and I was like, I was like, why would anyone want to wear that? And it's like a weird kind of color, and I was like, this is stupid. This was such a waste of money, and I hated it, like hated it, but I wasn't gonna return it. So I just did not wear it for a very long time, and then I was like, oh, I forgot about this, and I was like, okay, let's just try it and like let's see how it is. And now I like absolutely love it. I'll show you guys. I don't know if I should put this on my, I'm gonna do it anyways. Oh yeah, look at that. Like it's a great highlighter, especially because I was like so like against it, but I think it's such a good highlighter, and I just put it basically everywhere, but I feel like everybody does that, so I think it's okay. Cupid's bow in the center, and then I'm gonna put it up here as well, and then in my inner corner highlight as well. So the next thing that I do is every single day, I do this every day because I think it really brings everything together. I take this brush, or just like any like brush, what is it called? It's a dual fiber, and I just to kind of blend everything kind of seamlessly together. Obviously not in my like eyes or anything, but like around my face, Be careful over here. And I just kind of put this everywhere. And then I'm going to set everything with my MAC Prep and Prime. And just set everything. Oh, I just love it. Oh, it feels good on my areola. That's what it sounded like I said, but that's not what I said. I'm going to be using this. This is the Fenty one, and this is unbuttoned. And I haven't worn this in a while, so let's see how this goes. It's a good color. It's like very neutral, but that's exactly what I wanted. Alright guys, I hope you guys liked this video. I think it worked out pretty well that you can't really see what's underneath this area. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. Let me know down below if you guys like just kind of like chit chat, kind of get ready with me. I know this makeup is just very like basic, but this is what I'm wearing to I was going to say Thanksgiving, it's not. St. Patrick's Day. I have like my green t-shirt that I'm wearing today. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Let me know down below if you like videos like this, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.